You can be very gentle, but also very definite and forward. You make the decision. You're the boss. I want a strong canter on your landing. Go. Push him through the turn, make him change the lead. Get pissed off at him. He's being a pill. Growl at him. Growl. Look. Look. Good. Look. Sit up. Push. Good. That's okay. We'll take it. That's a hard exercise. Look. Look. Smack him on the butt. Good. Now, shorten your reins so you have some stability and plan this barrel. It's very easy. He'll do it. You can't psych yourself out. Keep him right in between your hands. Legs. Very good. Now keep that pace and come around and do that whole line again. Shorter reins, Katie. You're not putting him in the mouth. Just let your hands come forward.
I'm running out of Katie.
Okay, do it, Carol. Plan, look ahead now. Good. It's okay. Look ahead. Push for the lead. Now, you can get a little deeper canter on this one. Push. Look, 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 look. Get up. Okay, we'll get it cleaned up. Use your legs, use your butt. It's okay, you're getting it done.
This is gonna have to be my last one.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you mean you're like? I like that change of direction. And maybe go. Good boy.